Alright guys, here comes your 48 help. We're going to start at the beginning of the lesson today, and we'll knock out some in the beginning, and then you can always ask me more on the Zoom call. We're shooting for 6. It says, draw a square. Make each side 1.5 inches long. Okay. That's it. Okay. Well, that was pretty easy. When you put it over here in the answer key, they're obviously not going to be 1.5 inches. Now, we don't have our rulers. If you had your rulers, I'd have you make them exactly 1.5 inches. But this is close enough. Okay? Number 2. Aiza is 6 years older than Juno. If Aiza is 21, then how old is Juno? Aiza is older, so we're going to put her in this box. And Juno. And the difference. Now, who do we know? She's 6 years older, so that's the difference. If she is 21, how old is Juno? So we got the big number and a small number. And so how are we going to find the other small number? We're going to subtract. 21 minus 6. So we found out that Juno is 15 what? 15 years old. Alright, number 3. It takes a tour guide 50 minutes to lead a group through 3 different rooms in a museum. If the tour guide spent an equal amount in each of the rooms, which quotient below shows how much time she spent in each room? Would it be 16 minutes and 2/3 of a minute? Or 16 minutes and then you had 2 minutes where you didn't do anything? Alright, so it's obviously 16 and 2/3 minutes. And it's kind of strange to think 2/3 of a minute, what is that? But that's actually 40 seconds. Can you cut a minute up without it bleeding? Yes. So that would be your answer. Okay. Number 4. It says 8 dozen eggs is how many eggs? How many in a dozen? 12. And you have 8 of those. You're going to have some scrambled eggs for weeks with all of those. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 1 more is 9. 96 what? 96 eggs. Alright guys, check out number 5. Number 5 is a multiplication problem. It says, the 6 in 356,287 represents which of the following? Is this like 6 ones? Does a 6 represent 356? That would be really strange. Does it represent 6 in the thousandths place? That looks pretty good to me. Alright, number 6. It says a new pencil is 19 centimeters long. How many millimeters long is that? So I got 19 centimeters equals how many millimeters? Well, that came from lesson 44. I don't like to give you the answers, so let's go check out 44. Remember, it's right here. Like 1 centimeter equals 10, 2, 23, 34, 45, 50, 19 would be, add a 0, 190. Just add a 0. Millimeters, because millimeters are much smaller than centimeters. I got time for one more. Number 7. Draw a circle, shade 1/6 of it. What percent is shaded? Okay, so drawing this circle, you're going to need a Y that's upside down and upside right. Whew, pretty good. 1/6. Yeah, one's not as good. Now we need to know what percentage is 1/6. I got no idea, so let's go find our handy dandy little cheat sheet. 2/5, 3/8, 1/3, 3/10, 1/4, 1/5. 1/6 is 16 2/3%. 16 2/3%. All right, guys, we've motored through those first 7. They were pretty easy. If you have any questions, check with me at our Zoom call. Maybe we can take some from today's lesson. God bless your day.